Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to reset or factory reset this AT&T device. It's called AT&T Calypso. It's a prepaid device. I will show you the steps on how to factory reset this device. First thing, you want to make sure the device is completely turned off, so let's go ahead and turn it off. Once the device is completely turned off, there are two buttons you would need first to do the first step to reset this device. So first thing, you want to hold the volume up key, then the power. You want to press and hold until the device comes on. Once you get to this, make sure the arrow is next to recovery. Then you want to press the volume down to confirm that option. It will give you a no command screen. So what you want to do right here is very important to do it as I say in order for it to work. So you want to press the power, then press the volume up key. So press and hold the power, then press up. You will get to this menu right here. You want to scroll down to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power key to confirm, down to Factory Data Reset again. It will start wiping everything off the device. Second step you want to do is Wipe Cache Partition. Same thing, scroll down to yes, and that's it. Once it's done, you can go ahead and reboot your device and everything is erased and back to factory settings. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.